This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Victoria-based Perdomo. Great spacious cozy villa in gated community of the Hammocks at Savanna. 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. Open and split floor plan with 2-car garage. Covered patio. Neutral colors. Walk-in closets in the master bedroom, his and hers. Stainless steel appliances, full-size washer and dryer inside with AC and more. Accordion shutters. Newer AC, tankless water heater, storage wall system in garage, close to schools, Publix and I-75. Association takes care of exterior painting, lawn care, security patrol, and roof cleaning. Total access to Savanna Commons and all their amenities. Swimming pool, basketball, mini golf, playground/tot lot, and many more. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria-based Perdomo at 954-232-9730.